I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
She always drinks coffee in the morning.
She always drinks coffee in the morning.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Do you want to go for a walk?
They often play football in the park.
They often play football in the park.
I like to read books before bed.
I like to read books before bed.
He is studying for his exams next week.
He is studying for his exams next week.
We went to the cinema last night.
We went to the cinema last night.
She enjoys cooking new recipes.
She enjoys cooking new recipes.
Can you help me with my homework?
Can you help me with my homework?
I saw a great movie yesterday.
I saw a great movie yesterday.
I need to buy some groceries later.
I need to buy some groceries later.
He travels to London every summer.
He travels to London every summer.
They have a dog and a cat.
They have a dog and a cat.
I am planning a trip to Italy.
I am planning a trip to Italy.
What time do you usually have lunch?
What time do you usually have lunch?
We often visit my grandparents on Sundays.
We often visit my grandparents on Sundays.
She works at a coffee shop downtown.
She works at a coffee shop downtown.
He plays the guitar very well.
He plays the guitar very well.
I went shopping and bought some clothes.
I went shopping and bought some clothes.
She loves painting in her free time.
She loves painting in her free time.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Do you have any plans for tonight?
They always celebrate their anniversary in July.
They always celebrate their anniversary in July.
I prefer tea over coffee.
I prefer tea over coffee.
We need to clean the house this weekend.
We need to clean the house this weekend.
He usually goes to the gym after work.
He usually goes to the gym after work.
I am looking forward to the holidays.
I am looking forward to the holidays.
She visits her friends every Friday.
She visits her friends every Friday.
What do you like to do on weekends?
What do you like to do on weekends?
I enjoy taking photos of nature.
I enjoy taking photos of nature.
Can we meet at the cafe at 3 p.m.? Can we meet at the cafe at 3 p.m.? They are planning a big party next month.
They are planning a big party next month.
He is interested in learning new languages.
He is interested in learning new languages.
We had a picnic in the park last Sunday.
We had a picnic in the park last Sunday.
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
I usually go to bed around 11 p.m.
She likes to go shopping on Saturdays.
She likes to go shopping on Saturdays.
We often eat lunch together at work.
We often eat lunch together at work.
He enjoys playing basketball after school.
He enjoys playing basketball after school.
Are you interested in joining our club?
Are you interested in joining our club?
I read a great article online yesterday.
I read a great article online yesterday.
They visit the museum once a month.
They visit the museum once a month.
Can you help me find my keys?
Can you help me find my keys?
I prefer walking to taking the bus.
I prefer walking to taking the bus.
She always carries an umbrella in her bag.
She always carries an umbrella in her bag.
We are planning a trip to the beach next week.
We are planning a trip to the beach next week.
He listens to podcasts during his commute.
He listens to podcasts during his commute.
I often read the news in the morning.
I often read the news in the morning.
She usually helps her brother with his homework.
She usually helps her brother with his homework.
We like to go for walks in the evening.
We like to go for walks in the evening.
He enjoys cycling in the park on weekends.
He enjoys cycling in the park on weekends.
Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby?
Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby?
I need to finish my report by Friday.
I need to finish my report by Friday.
They often organize game nights at home.
They often organize game nights at home.
What is your favorite movie of all time?
What is your favorite movie of all time?
I like to watch documentaries on Netflix.
I like to watch documentaries on Netflix.
She often goes to the farmer's market on Sundays.
She often goes to the farmer's market on Sundays. We are thinking about getting a pet soon. We are thinking about getting a pet soon.
He likes to listen to music while studying.
He likes to listen to music while studying.
I had a great time at the party last night.
I had a great time at the party last night.
Can you show me how to use this app?
Can you show me how to use this app?
They always take a vacation in the summer.
They always take a vacation in the summer.
She is excited about her birthday next month.
She is excited about her birthday next month.
Are you coming to the concert with us?
Are you coming to the concert with us?
I usually drink coffee in the morning.
I usually drink coffee in the morning.
She likes to watch TV shows before bed.
She likes to watch TV shows before bed.
We go to the gym together 3 times a week.
We go to the gym together 3 times a week.
He often cooks dinner for his family.
He often cooks dinner for his family.
Can you please pass me the salt?
Can you please pass me the salt?
I don't like driving in heavy traffic.
I don't like driving in heavy traffic.
They always send me postcards from their travels.
They always send me postcards from their travels.
What kind of music do you like?
What kind of music do you like?
She often goes for a run in the park.
She often goes for a run in the park.
I enjoy reading novels in my free time.
I enjoy reading novels in my free time.
We are planning to visit our grandparents this weekend.
We are planning to visit our grandparents this weekend.
He plays the guitar in a band.
He plays the guitar in a band.
I bought some fresh fruit at the store yesterday.
I bought some fresh fruit at the store yesterday.
Can you help me with this math problem?
Can you help me with this math problem?
They are going to a concert next Friday.
They are going to a concert next Friday.
I usually take a shower in the morning.
I usually take a shower in the morning.
She loves gardening and has many plants at home. She loves gardening and has many plants at home. What do you usually do on holidays?
What do you usually do on holidays?
I wake up early to prepare breakfast.
I wake up early to prepare breakfast.
She loves to travel and explore new cities.
She loves to travel and explore new cities.
We often meet friends for coffee on weekends.
We often meet friends for coffee on weekends.
He takes his dog for a walk every evening.
He takes his dog for a walk every evening.
Can you tell me how to get to the station?
Can you tell me how to get to the station?
I'm learning how to play the piano.
I'm learning how to play the piano.